Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Apple ID that has not been used lately in App Store. So first of all, we will go in settings, and after that we will need to click the one account that you already have, and you'll go to media and purchases because that's the work is, and after you type it you'll go to password settings because we will see the settings of our passwords over there, and it will go directly to a page. You'll need always require password, and then you'll go again over here and view account. Click on view account, and this page it will open. You'll need to put your password to sign in, so make sure to put your password, and after that it will redirect you in another page. So it's this one. You'll need to type country, region, the country that you are already in. This is very important because this will change the Apple ID. So you'll change a country that you are already, and after that you'll go on this tab, purchase history. We don't see any, so we will scroll down till the end and we will do sign out. After that you'll log in and you'll see it's already fixed. Hit the like and subscribe button, and we will see you in our next video.